Hey guys, I know I just did a video for you all for about T25, but I wanted to go ahead and do this right now before I was to go to bed. Today is day 2 of the 21-day fix. I started this program yesterday. It's a new workout program by Autumn Calabrese. I guess I'm pronouncing her name right, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do this now. That way I can just hurry up and get this over with, and I'll post the video tomorrow. So it'll already be tomorrow for you all. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do the before photos and stats. And just a little bit about the yesterday and today. Yesterday was total body cardio fix, and it was a pretty awesome workout. I mean, I thought it was going to be easy, but it was actually pretty hard to get through. And I woke up this morning so sore. And what surprised me the most was that even my butt was sore. And I'm actually loving the program, even though today is just day 2. Today was upper fix, which was focused more on the arms, and there was some ab exercises in there. So it was pretty good. The food containers that you get with the program, I find to be very, I don't know the word that I'm looking for, but you actually do get really full. You're not going to starve. You're just eating what it says for you to eat, no counting calories and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a pretty simple program. You follow it and you are sure going to lose weight, not lose results. But yeah, from what I'm seeing, people are losing like 5 pounds in 3 days. So that's pretty awesome. But anyways, I'm about to go to bed. It's almost 10:30. So yeah, I will finish this up and get the photos in there for you guys, and I will talk to you sometime this week or next week. So bye guys.